Hey guys, what is up? Today we'll show you how to withdraw crypto from your Metamask to your PayPal account. Looking for a way to transfer from Metamask to your PayPal account? Stay tuned because this video is for you. So as you can see, we are here now in the Metamask.io website. The very first thing you want to do in order to receive the money is to first locate where do you have your money. So what I want to do now is go to the Metamask.io website and then hit download for Google Chrome. And you will have this extension for Google Chrome. You'd want to add this to your browser and then choose this option where I can see all of my extensions. As you can see here, you need to enable MetaMask so that you can see it on your browser. As you can see, we are now inside the MetaMask account. So the very first thing you need to do is to locate the actual network into the upper side. You need to click that. You have Polygon. It has Ethereum, Binance, and Binance Smart Chain. If you choose Binance, which is pretty much the best option for a lot of people use Binance. So what you need to do is to send this money away to your PayPal or your bank account. There's a few ways where you can receive money. If you live in the United States, what you need to do is Google PayPal crypto. And as you can see here, PayPal supports the buying, selling, holding, and transfer of cryptocurrency in and out of PayPal. So this only works for United States users of Binance or whatever MetaMask income source you have if you're going to send it to PayPal. So what you need to do is log into your PayPal account. So the next method, which is for people outside the United States, is finding the decentralized application account that will help us to receive our tokens into PayPal or into your bank account from MetaMask. So in this case, we would want to use Bitso and go to the website. This method is going to be helping you in pretty much any decentralized crypto app available in the market today. What you want to do is find the best crypto exchange that best suits for you, and then use MetaMask and Bitso so that you could send your money from MetaMask to your PayPal or bank account. So in Bitso, you would need to create a personal account so you could start trading. The process of registering is pretty straightforward. If you've had experience in signing up for PayPal, for MetaMask, for Binance, it's pretty much the same as it is on Bitso. So now that you are signed in, as you can see, this is the wallet in Bitso. So the next phase is going to be very simple because you have the network, you have the wallet, and you have now the other wallet we want to use. So you could set it directly to your account. You can do it in MetaMask. But the thing about this is I'm pretty certain that there's a chance that they won't be available for people outside the United States again. But for a lot of people, it still works. So that's pretty much it. If you could pretty much send your balance on MetaMask to Bitso, the same as what we did earlier. And that's the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.